my name is Alper. This is my graduation project. The simulation of flight station passengers, also named public transport simulation. This is the main menu. Opening application of this project on the left side, we will see lines. That lines has been created, and there is a right side. We can see bus situation. Stick passengers, standing passengers, download passengers number. Stick passengers means is the number of chair of bus, and standing passengers is the number of how many passengers can stand in this bus. We can change that. Download passengers, the number of created number in station each minute. This means every minute 10 passengers created. We can change it 8, 5, 7, or another number. And this is the acceleration time. Acceleration means accelerated simulation. And we write to simulation time is double. And we write 60, simulation will be faster 60 times. If we didn't choose the green one when we click play, there is an error, or we choose the green one. If we choose the green line, there is a highlight time. We click play, simulation will be run. Simulation running faster time, 60 faster time. And we click the bus, we can see how many passengers we can stand on this bus. And there is a stations, this is clickable. When we click station, we can see how many passengers on this station. When the bus arrives to the station, the passengers will get into the bus. And there is a many bus on this line. This system running concurrently. If two buses arrive to same station at the same time, the passengers will choose the available for them, and there is a state. When two buses overlap, we click them, we can see two of them number of passengers. We can see it. And there is a color change if the sitting, there is no sitting passengers. The bus color turn into yellow and red. Green means there is an empty chair, and yellow bus means bus available for vehicle constant in this bus. Red bus means bus is full. You can see that. If we close the station passengers, the line resizable again. This is my graduation project. Thank you for listening to me.